Alright guys, we're going to talk about installing Java and the Java development tools that we use, specifically Netbeans. Now if you've taken the Java course in the past, you probably already have Java installed on your machine. In which case probably the only thing you're going to need to install will be Netbeans. But you can check to see what you currently do and do not have installed by going to the control panel. You know how to go to the control panel on your machine, I hope. However you do it, you can go there. Go look at the programs and features. Right, I just typed in uninstall and it showed me a list. And so if I type in Java here, it shows me nothing. If I type in Netbeans here, shows me nothing. Good. I don't have anything installed. We'll come back and see what's installed here after I go through the first step, which is to get the Java 12 SE, the JDK. So I'm going to come up here and just Google Java SE. Oh, it looks like 13 is the most recent one. So Java SE 13. That's what I Googled. The very top hit, Java SE Development Kit 13. That's the one that we want. All right. Looking good. So if we scroll down here, we'll see the various versions of it. We can get an executable that'll run, or we can get a zip of the executable. Well, the zip looks even larger than the executable. Why don't we just get the XE? I'm doing this on Windows. You'll want to do it for the operating system of your choice. Oh, I did not sign the license agreement, did I? Where do you do that? Here we go. Click that. Yep. Now I can download the executable. And I'm going to pause it so that you don't have to sit there and watch it. Alrighty, now I'm going to go open it up. Oh, it's not finished processing yet. And now it is. Alright. It just asked me, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, I do. Preparing to install. And I may pause it again while it does all this. Note that it says extracting installer. Alrighty. So it says SE Development Kit successfully installed. Clicks Next Steps to access the tutorials, API documentation, and so on. So we may want to come back and look at this later, but for now, essentially, I think that we can just go and get Netbeans. So if I went back to the control panel on install features, search control panel, uninstall. It's actually called programs and features. And if I type in Java here, I see that we have the Java SE Development Kit. Let's go get Netbeans. So let's go get Netbeans. But before we do that, if you're using Windows, it can be a good idea to set this environment variable that we are about to set. It's called Java_home. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the control panel, however you launch it on yours. Up here where it says search control panel, type in environment variables. Edit environment variables for your account. And it comes with this little page. We don't have the Java_home environment variable set in either place. So let's click new. We're going to type in Java_home all in caps. Java_home all in caps. And we need to go and find our JDK directory, which will be under C, programs. Let's go find it. So this PC, C:, programs. I have too many things installed on my computer. Program files right there. Java, and inside Java we went JDK 13, whatever. Yeah. I click OK. See? C program files Java JDK-13-0-2. Said OK. Said OK. All right. Now, if I was paranoid, I would reboot my system at this point. So that's what I'm going to do. See you in a minute.